Net result is already declared. Now a lot of students have queries why my normalized score is less than my raw score. Now the thing is, let's first understand normalization. Why is it required in an exam like UGC, and how does it work? So first of all, when the exam, the same subject occurs across different time. So it could be morning, evening shift, it could be today, tomorrow, day after. Across various shifts, when the same subject exam is conducted, what would happen? There would be a clause of normalization because all of the students are receiving different paper, different questions. So what is done is the highest score of each of the session is taken into account, and that would get the same desirable percentile as 100 percentile. Now, instead of taking the raw scores of the students, what is done? The percentile scores of the students are used for preparing the merit. Now, the marks between the highest and the lowest is taken into account, and those are converted into percentile. Now, these percentiles are normalized across the different sets in which examination is conducted. So, this normalization would happen only for those subjects in which exam was conducted across various sets or various days. So, it could be various shift, morning, evening, or across various days. Only in those subjects normalization would be done. If your subject is a subject which was done on a single day, single shift, then there is no question for normalization to happen. So to avoid any bunch effect or any tie breaking, this normalization is done, and this is calculated up to 7 decimal places. So this is the method under which normalization is done. So sometimes you might feel that your original score is higher, but when the scores are normalized, your scores actually come down. But that is because of the standards or the level of the other questions, question papers that were brought, and therefore this process of normalization occurs. This does occur in other exams as well, where you have same paper across multiple shift which is conducted. So this is the process for normalization. However, not to worry, in case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back to us. We'll be more than happy to resolve your doubts and queries. Thanks for joining in, and looking forward for more videos related to net examination, related to contemporary topics that could be useful for your 2024 and 2025 examination. Please subscribe.